Disadvantages of hard water. Water sources of water: rainwater, river water, lake water, sea water, groundwater. These are water sources. These available water are two types. One is soft water, another one is hard water. When you are using hard water in industry, some are disadvantages. Those disadvantages discussing now. Soft water. What is a soft water? Water which produce lather immediately and easily with soap is called soft water. Water which immediately and easily produce good amount of lather, that means foam, with soap is called soft water. Soft water is free from soluble salts of magnesium and calcium such as calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. Soft water does not react with soap and hence does not produce insoluble curd like precipitate of calcium and magnesium strate are formed. Hard water. Water which does not produce lather immediately and easily with soap, but form white precipitate on the bottom of container is called hard water. These hard water form white precipitate with soap due to formation of calcium magnesium salts with soap. Dissolved salts of calcium and magnesium present in water, it causes hardness. Water which does not easily produce good amount of lather with soap is called hard water. Hard water contains calcium and magnesium soluble salts such as calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. It contains soluble salts of some heavy metals like iron, manganese, aluminium, etc. Hardness of water. The property of hard water. Hard water contains chlorides, sulfates, bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium salts present in water. It causes hardness. This the property of hard water by which it is prevent formation of lather with soap is called hardness. Those are salts present in water. Such salt prevent formation of lather with soap is called hardness. Causes of hardness. Hardness of water is caused due to presence of soluble bicarbonates, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. These hardness of water are two types. One is temporary hardness, second one is permanent hardness. Temporary hardness. The hardness of water caused by soluble bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. The hardness of water caused by soluble bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium and can be easily removed by boiling or by adding lime water is called temporary hardness. Second one, permanent hardness. The hardness caused by presence of soluble chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium and cannot be removed by boiling or adding lime water is called permanent hardness. Temporary hardness and permanent hardness. This temporary hardness can be removed by boiling process. This permanent hardness cannot removed by boiling or adding lime water. Disadvantages of hard water. Textile industry. In this industry, water used for dyeing, bleaching and washing purpose. During washing on, if hard water is used, a lot of soap get wasted. During dyeing, exact shades of colors are not obtained with hard water. On white clothes, iron and manganese may form colored spots. In textile industry, hard water used form spots and streaks due to presence of calcium and magnesium salts. Hard water also affect shading of colors and dyeing of fabrics. Sugar industry. Water used should be free from sulfates, nitrates, bicarbonates, etc. Otherwise, it causes problems in crystallization of sugar and such sugar may be decomposed on stronger storage. Decompose on storage. The salts like sulfate, nitrates present in hard water causes difficulty in crystallization of sugar. These salts also impact absorption of moisture nature to the sugar. Paper industry. Water is used to make paper. Plus, water must be free from calcium, magnesium, iron. These ions affect the color, smoothness and glossiness of paper. The salt present in hard water interact with the chemicals used for smoothing of paper and reduce the quality of paper. Some iron salts also causes coloration of paper. Dyeing industry. The dissolved salts in hard water may react with costly dyes formation precipitate. Pharmaceutical industries. Hard water may cause some undesirable products while preparation of pharmaceutical products. Hard water used in pharmaceutical preparation of tablets, injection, ointments, lotions, etc. produce some undesirable products. Concentration. Concrete making. B. Containing chlorides and sulfates if used for concrete making affects the hydration of cement and the final strength of the hardened concrete. Laundry. The hard water, if you use laundry purpose, much of the soap used for washing to go waste of iron salts may even causes coloration of clothes. Hard water from white streaks precipitate with soap due to formation of calcium and magnesium salts of soap. Hard water causes wastage of soap and also give undesirable spots, streaks, and stains to the fabric. Bakeries. Water should not contain any organic matter such as fungi or bacteria. These affects yeast action and the quality of the baker's products becomes inferior. Dyers. Contamination in dairy product may lead to toxic effects. Bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium are eating for hard strict layer of calcium and magnesium carbonates which act as heat insulator and causes loss of fuels. Beverage undesirable taste. These are disadvantages of hot water used in industry. Thank you.